Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
What's your good name?
Prince.
Prince.
Yeah,
Okay. All right. So where are you calling from, Prince?
I'm from Haryana, ma'am.
Okay, you're basically from Haryana.
Yes, ma'am.
And what do you do?
I'm professional. I'm an advocate, ma'am.
Okay, you're an advocate. All
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
great. So currently you're in Haryana itself?
Yes, I'm from Haryana right now, and I'm doing my job here. So, yes.
Okay. All right. So Prince, I'm Sharon. I basically hail from Kerala. Currently,
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
settled in Hyderabad.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yes. And by profession, I'm an assistant professor of English literature as well as a language trainer.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. All right. So tell me something more about yourself, about your family, about your hobbies. I guess this is the first session on Clapingo for you, I believe.
Yes, it's my first session right now, and I'm joined today uh,
Okay.
for that app. And right now I'm working in my field, my profession, and I have a small family, and yes, I am living with them.
Okay. So you're married?
Yes, ma'am, I'm married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, great. So Prince, tell me what was the motive behind joining Clapingo?
I want to like hone up my skills of communication. Right now I want to be a professional speaker, and I used to uh, try this language a long time, but at the lack of practice I did not get the language skills. So right now I'm joined Clapingo. I heard from my friend, I like see the lot of videos on YouTube, like Clapingo speakers, and they are very helpful, and they are very good in their skills, and they are very good tutors. So I decided to join this platform to hone up my skill and to communicate with the professionals.
Mhm. Okay, that's wonderful. I would say this is the right choice, okay? The right decision
Yes,
you have taken.
yes,
All
ma'am.
right. So once again, welcome to Clapingo. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will
Thank
start with the session for today, okay? Which is
you.
on
Okay.
traveling. So are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
a person? Yes. Are you a person who loves traveling?
Yes, I have a fond of traveling, ma'am, and I
I
used
am
to.
fond of traveling. Not I
I
have.
am fond.
I am fond of traveling.
I am fond of traveling, and I used to uh, go for different kind of places. And there is a place where I done my LLB, which is Uttarakhand, Dehradun, as you know.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am. And there's a small hill station there, like it's called Mussoorie, and it's a very beautiful
Mhm.
place. And I
Yes.
found I'm very fond to travel that place, and I uh, generally I like to travel that place. So yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, that's good. So, other than Missouri, any other places you have visited so far in your life?
Yes, ma'am. In my hometown, there is this like in my not very far, there is a kind of hill station are also there, and my hometown is situated in near from Himachal Pradesh, and there is so lovely hill station are there, and I want to travel these kind of places. So yes, I used to travel these places as well.
Okay, that's fine. So, do you have any dream destination? Would you like to visit any particular place abroad or in India? Any specific state you have in your mind which you would like to visit?
Yes, ma'am. My dream destination is go for the Australia. It's a very beautiful country, and my younger brother is there.
Oh,
And
okay.
yes, ma'am. And I used to go for there once in a life, and so. I have a planning to go there, but uh, in the this pandemic situation is there
So
happening
when
in
you,
India.
right, right, because of the pandemic, you cannot actually go.
Yeah, go for
Yeah,
there. Yes,
otherwise
ma'am.
it's very risky. We don't know what may happen, right?
Yes, yes.
So
All the
your brother,
yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So your brother, when did he go? Before the pandemic, he went to Australia recently, or
No, ma'am. Uh he went there 3 years ago,
okay?
and he has a student visa.
All right.
And yes, ma'am. He's settled right now in there, and I want to go like a tourist visa for there, and this was my dreams to go for there once in a life.
Okay, okay. Yes, I also totally agree with you. Australia is a beautiful place.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. All right. So when you visit a particular place, friends, what all things you would like to explore?
I want to explore the all kind of things, like the weather, like the
Yeah.
people of there, like the culture of their particular station, the particular state, or the particular country. So it's a very beautiful country. I want to go for their people. I want to know how the people are living there, how the weather are like there, and what kind of rules and regulation are there.
Okay.
Is it very different from India, or it's similar like our country?
Okay, okay. That's nice. So would you like to know the history behind those places?
No, I don't know
The
history.
historical background?
No, I don't know the historical background of that place. And my brother is right now in the like the is in he's I don't get the words right now, and because he's in the state which is called Sydney.
Okay, okay. Sydney.
And yes, and
Sydney
is
is the capital of
no,
Australia.
no, 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 Sydney is not the capital. The capital of the Australia is an I I totally
Oh, is it start? I guess it starts with B, if I'm not wrong. One minute.
uh
Let me just check.
Brisbane. No,
No, no, no, not Brisbane.
it's
Canberra.
Canberra. Yes, ma'am, Canberra.
Canberra. Okay. All right. Mm, Sydney is also the capital, but capital of the state of New South Wales, Australia.
New South Wales, Australia. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, correct.
It's a very big
Okay.
town of Australia,
Yes, yes, it
and
is.
it's the biggest. I can say that's the biggest, and it's the population is very. It's similar to India,
Huge.
and the population
Yes,
very huge
it is
population.
huge. Yeah, right, right. That's true. All right. Okay. So, Prince, you said you would like to try out the new cuisines of those places, the authentic food. Would you like to try out the authentic food of new places wherever you want to go?
Yes, ma'am. I want to try once the seafood of there,
Okay.
because
Okay.
it's the because the place is near from the sea.
Okay.
The
Okay.
whole Australia is it's a like it's a country is surrounded by the sea. So the
Okay.
famous food of there is the seafood. So I want to try once the
All
seafood of
right.
there.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. All right. So, when it comes to traveling, you would like to travel along with your family or with friends?
Uh, when I want to go there, I want to go there for from my family
With my family.
because
I
yes,
want to
ma'am.
travel. I want to travel with my family.
yes, I want to travel with my family, and so say I'm very comfortable from my family, because so
I'm
I want
comfortable with
to
my
go there
not
with
from.
my family, and so
I'm comfortable with
yes,
my
with my family.
correct.
So I want to go there from for with them.
Okay, you would like to go along with your family. Okay, great.
Yes, yes.
So, how often do you go out? Like, okay, let's say before the pandemic, did you go for traveling? Any places have you gone with your family, with your wife and children?
Yes, there is a small hill station from it's not far from my hometown. It's like Himachal Pradesh,
Okay, okay.
and I once I am go there from with my family, and there is
Once I
a
went
also
with
hill
my
station.
family, not go,
Once
past
I
tense,
went
right?
with,
So went.
yes,
Once I went
went my
along with my family.
along with my family.
Yes.
And once I went along with my family, it's a small hill station also is called Morne.
Oh,
It's a it's a small hill station.
okay. It's a
It's
small
in
hill
Haryana,
station. Oh,
and
okay, okay.
it is in Haryana.
Okay, okay. All right, all right. Mm-hmm.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how did you go? By car or by train?
I went by car,
By car.
and yes, ma'am.
So you feel car is more comfortable? What do you prefer for traveling? Flight, car, train? What is mostly preferred by you?
I prefer the car the most, because I'm very comfortable with my car, and
Okay.
I can stop it anywhere, and I can
Yes, that's true.
have the food and have that kind of snacks, like I can
Yes,
have
yes,
any kind of this.
correct. Even if you feel tired, you can just, stop your vehicle,
Yes,
relax for some time, and then continue with your journey.
yes, ma'am.
Correct. All right. Okay. So we are left with 2, 3 more minutes. And now quickly I'll give you a few words, Prince, with which you have to frame sentences. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. The first word is enthusiasm.
Enthusiasm, like I am very I am very enthusiastic.
Correct.
Uh,
I'm very enthusiastic.
I'm very enthusiastic with my profession, and I'm very enthusiastic from the help of other people.
I'm very enthusiastic to help. Otherwise, you
Other
just
people
have to say I'm very enthusiastic to help others.
to help others. Okay, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. Another word, potential.
Potential.
Yes.
And India has a lot of potential to grow its economy, and to go and to anywhere, and yes,
Could you repeat?
a potential, like India has a lot of
Yeah,
potential
India
to grow
has a lot
its
of potential
economy,
to grow
grow
its
its
economy.
economy.
Okay. Okay, correct. Good, good. Now the next word, reliable.
Reliable, like reliable.
Yeah.
I'm very reliable. I am very reliable with my friends,
Okay. I am reliable on my friend.
on my friends.
Yes, correct. Okay, all right. So we are almost coming to the end of the session, Prince. What I
Yes,
would
ma'am.
like to give you as a feedback is nothing but you are quite good at speaking. Only when it comes to some the grammar portion, you're making small mistakes. Okay, like instead of using past tense, you are using present tense. Okay,
Yes,
that you
yes,
have
ma'am.
to take care. And also, when it comes to your vocabulary, you have to work on your vocab as well. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and little bit more expressive. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So these are the things which I felt and which you can easily overcome. Okay, these are not big problems. Okay, so
Okay,
basically you have to polish your language. All
okay,
right.
ma'am. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So anything you would
So,
like to say?
yes, I want to ask one thing, ma'am. Can I get the video of that particular session?
Oh yes, definitely. These are all recorded videos. You can see it for your yes. This is for your reference, so you can play it again and watch and see what all mistakes you have done.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, this will be available in the Clapingo app itself.
Okay, yes. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
all your videos are yes, it is recorded.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. All right. Thank you so much.
Thanks
So
so much,
enjoy
ma'am.
the rest of the day. Goodbye.
Okay, thanks, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much.
Thank you so much.